Good day everyone. In this video, we will be learning all about identifying and measuring angles. Please make sure that you have already watched all about lines, rays, and angles so that you will fully understand the parts of every angle. Before I start, just to recap that angles are actually made up of two rays that shares one common endpoint. And then the opening that they form for each of the angles are the ones that is being measured using a protractor. In this topic, we will be having these four kinds of angles of concentration. We will have a right angle, which forms a square corner, which actually measured an exactly 90-degree for a right angle. A straight angle, on the other hand, is an angle that looks like a plain line because the two rays are already lying together on the same line, which actually measures 180 degree for this one. Then, an acute angle is any angle more than 0 degrees. More than 0 degrees, but less than 90 degrees. So that's what we meant by acute angle. An obtuse angle, on the other hand, is greater than a right angle or the 90-degree angle, but less than the straight angle or the one that measures exactly 180 degrees. Now, to further understand about these measurements, let's try having this protractor activity. Now, using this protractor, we can measure how big in degrees is our angle or angles to be measured. Now, classifying them by size will be very helpful so that it's easy for us to name them. Say, for example, instead of saying an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. So instead of saying that statement, you can just simply say an acute angle. That's an acute angle. Okay? Now, to further understand, let me give you some examples on how we can measure angles using protractor. So first, there are some protractors that has two layers of numbers. So in this case, if you have a protractor with two sets of numbers, the top or the outer ring and inner ring, this is our guide for you to use this one. When the angle's opening is facing the right side, so in this case, I want you to look at carefully at this example, facing at the right side. So here it goes. You will use the bottom numbers or the inner ring. In this case, the line is pointing at exactly 40 degrees. Please take note that when you are trying to measure an angle, one of its ray should lie at 0 degree so that you will get an accurate measurement for the angle. Again, in any way possible, may it be facing at the left or at the right side, please make sure that when using a protractor, one of the rays of your angle lies in 0 degree so that you can get the accurate measurement of this. Another example would be this one. So it's still facing at the right side. And then use the inner ring, so that's 120 degrees. Now for this one, let's try to apply it using a virtual protractor. Let me share my screen. There. I hope you're seeing now a virtual presentation of angles and also the protractor itself. Say for example, I have here this kind of angle. So let's say let's have 60 degrees. Okay, there. If we will try to verify if this angle is indeed 60 degrees, I'll just click the protractor here and then make sure that when you try to drag your protractor, one of the rays of your angle lies at 0 degrees. So there. As you see, the other ray lies at 0 while the other one lies at 60 degrees. Let's try another one. So here, this is a big angle for our protractor. So let's try having a smaller version of it like this one. Miss, how do we measure it if the angle looks like that? Again, all you need to do is just to simply rotate your protractor in such a way that one of the rays points at 0 degrees. Okay, so in this case, wait, there you go. Oh no, there. Okay. And then after that, you will see that your protractor is actually pointing at 0 degree for one of its rays and the other one is 20 degrees. It means that our angle is 20 degrees. And then if we will try to identify using only the measurement, what kind of angle is this one? Yes, you are correct. It is an acute angle. Remember, if the angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it's always an acute angle. Next, if for example we have this kind of angle, so going back with our protractor, we just need to rotate our protractor or move if you need to move it on a different place. So we have, oh, it's not rotating. Wait. There. Okay, so if we have, let's say, okay, let's say we have 136 degrees or 135 degrees. What kind of angle is this? Correct, an obtuse angle. Now, using our protractor, it's not moving anymore. Okay, but then all you need to do is just to put one of your rays in line with our 0 degree in the protractor. Then the other one now will lie on its correct measurement. Okay, I hope you have learned something new in this topic. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.